Hey, what if I told you that right now, in December 2025, there's a comet screaming through our solar system at 137,000 miles per hour? A comet that wasn't born around our sun, and for the last 5 months, it's been making some of the world's top astronomers argue whether it could be alien technology? Yeah, clickbait titles are calling it the alien comet. Harvard professor Avi Loeb is dropping papers saying maybe it's a spacecraft. Meanwhile, NASA, ESA, and pretty much every major telescope on Earth are saying, guys, relax, it's just a really weird natural comet. Today we're diving into the full story of 3I/Atlas, the third confirmed interstellar object ever found. What makes it genuinely bizarre, why the alien claims don't hold up, and why this little ice ball is still one of the coolest things to happen in astronomy this decade. Let's go! July 1st, 2025. A robotic telescope in Chile, part of NASA's Atlas survey that normally hunts killer asteroids, picks up a feint of moving way too fast. Within 24 hours, 31 observatories around the world are pointing at it. They quickly realize two things. One, it's on a hyperbolic orbit, meaning it's not stuck orbiting our sun. It's just passing through. Two, it's already got a coma and a tail. It's an active comet. Boom. We just discovered only the third confirmed interstellar object ever, and the first interstellar comet that actually looks like a comet. They name it 3I/Atlas. The 3I means third interstellar, and Atlas is the survey that found it. Okay, let's get the truly strange parts out of the way, because this thing is legitimately unusual. First, it's insanely high carbon dioxide content. The James Webb Space Telescope looked at it in August and found the coma is dominated by carbon dioxide. The ratio of carbon dioxide to water is 63 times higher than any normal solar system comet we've ever seen. That's not a small difference. That's like comparing a glass of water to a bottle of club soda that's been shaken for 1,000,000 years. Second, it's tiny but ridiculously active. Hubble and ground telescopes pin the nucleus at probably less than 1 kilometer across, maybe only a few hundred meters, yet it's throwing out 150 kilograms of gas and dust every single second. That's like a chihuahua barking louder than a Great Dane. Third, it has this bizarre sunward jet. Most comets have tails pointing away from the sun, but 3I/Atlas has a bright plume shooting toward the sun. In October, a telescope in the Canary Islands caught a 10,000-kilometer-long jet aimed straight at the sun like it's giving the middle finger to physics. Spoiler, it's not. It's just outgassing from the hot afternoon side of a spinning nucleus. We've seen this before on other comets, just not this dramatic. Fourth, it's brightening way faster than normal comets and showing non-gravitational acceleration, meaning something is pushing it besides gravity. Again, that something is rocket-style outgassing from carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide ice, not thrusters. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb, the same guy who said Oumuamua might be an alien light sail, has written multiple papers listing about 10 anomalies that he says make 3I/Atlas suspicious. Here are the big ones he pushes, and the quick scientific rebuttals. Claim 1. It's enriched in nickel and has no iron. That looks like processed metal alloys. Reality. Iron is there. It just shows up later when the comet gets hotter and metal carbonyl compounds break down. Normal chemistry. Claim 2. That insane carbon dioxide to water ratio is impossible naturally. Reality. Galactic cosmic rays zapping carbon monoxide ice for billions of years turns it into carbon dioxide. Or it formed beyond a carbon dioxide snow line in a weird protoplanetary disk. Both perfectly natural. Claim 3. Extreme negative polarization never seen in comets. Reality actually has been seen in some trans-Neptunian objects and dusty comets. Just rare. Claim 4. It's coming from the same direction as the 1977 WOW signal. Reality, 9 degrees off. That's like saying New York and Philadelphia are the same place. Claim 5. The sunward jet and heartbeat brightness pattern look artificial. Reality, rotating nucleus plus active vent on the day side equals exactly what we see. We literally modeled it, and it matches. Every single one of these anomalies has a peer-reviewed natural explanation published within weeks of Loeb's blog posts. Look, Avi Loeb's job is to ask the uncomfortable questions, and that's valuable. But extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. And right now the evidence is pointing overwhelmingly to a very weird comet. Now, we're diving deep into the fascinating story of Interstellar Comet 3 I/Atlas, a celestial visitor that challenges our understanding of cosmic chemistry. This tiny, hyperactive comet, discovered by the Atlas survey in 2025, is the third confirmed interstellar object to grace our solar system. It follows two previous enigmatic visitors, one I/Oumuamua in 2017 and two I/Borisov in 2019, each with its own unique characteristics. We've only had two before this. One I/Oumuamua, discovered in 2017, was reddish, cigar-shaped, and had no coma, looking like a frozen nitrogen ice surface from a smashed exopluto. It was super weird, but ultimately natural. Then came two I/Borisov in 2019, which looked and acted like a normal comet, just from somewhere else, even breaking in half like comets sometimes do. Now 3 I/Atlas is tiny, hyperactive, CO2-dominated, and exhibits a distinct sunward jet. These three interstellar objects each possess completely different personalities, which is the opposite of what you'd expect if they were all alien probes. Instead, it's exactly what you expect from natural objects formed around different stars with different chemistry. This comet is a time capsule from another star system, likely from the Milky Way's ancient thick disk, billions of years old. The extreme CO2 content tells us that cosmic rays can totally rework ice chemistry over cosmic timescales. Its small size and high activity suggest there are probably far more tiny interstellar comets out there than we thought, and we just got lucky this one flared up bright enough to spot. The fact that we mobilized JWST, Hubble, Mars orbiters, Stereo, and even the Psyche and Lucy probes to watch it serves as crucial practice for the next interstellar visitor. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory comes fully online next year, and astronomers anticipate we might start seeing one of these every year or two. Here's the thing, 3 I/Atlas is not alien tech, but it is alien. It formed around a star we will never see, traveled maybe billions of years through interstellar space, and swung by our little planet just long enough for us to taste its chemistry. That alone is insane. We just reached out and touched a piece of another solar system without leaving Earth. That's the real story. In March 2026, it's going to slingshot past Jupiter and head back out into the galaxy forever. So if you haven't gone out and looked at it yet, grab binoculars, face southwest after sunset, and wave goodbye to a traveler that started its journey when our ancestors were still figuring out fire. And who knows, maybe the next one will be even weirder. If you love this deep dive, hit that like button, drop a comment with the weirdest thing you think this comet is doing, and subscribe. Because the Rubin Observatory is about to flood us with more interstellar visitors, and I'll be covering every single one. Clear skies, and I'll see you in the next one.